So, what brings you here tonight?
I'm an art consultant.
What does that mean?
The accomplished bank robber Willie Sutton was asked why he robbed banks. Sutton remarked, because that's where the money is. If Sutton were alive today, he wouldn't be robbing banks. He'd be robbing the wealthy.
That's very impressive.
Bingo. I'm not gonna do this forever. I think I have 2 more, then I'm done, then I'm out.
That's adorable.
Your father was into me for quite a bit.
This seems to me like maybe you're trying to clean up one of Dad's messes.
You know how to use that? I think it goes the other way.
I want it.
What are you talking about?
Come on, you could use my help. I'm Marguerite. I'm Karen. Elise.
You kids have a great time.
You're such a cute couple. Thank you.
Why are you following me?
I'm FBI. In the past 3 years, you and your pals have taken down over $75 million in black market art.
What do you want from me?
The man with the plan?
This one is big. One more little job, and you and me are done.
What are the options?
My options are die or not die.
Okay. Look for something you're not telling me.
You gonna slip up? It might not be you, it might be a unstable girlfriend or a bipolar brother. But there's always a crack.
How about a moment of silence? How many more moments do you want to do?